Hello everyone and welcome to this ARM video newsletter. Today we're going to focus on some of the highlights of the new ARM software release 9.4. This new release includes a number of new features designed specifically to assist Microsoft Teams hosters, service providers, and large enterprises. Microsoft Teams hosters who are implementing the Microsoft recommended supertrunk deployment model for multi-tenancy can now have each tenant represented by an ARM customer entity. Each ARM customer is mapped to a Teams tenant. Multiple tenants can be associated with a single SBC IP group, enabling hosters to make more efficient use of their SBC capacity. Call admission control, or CAC, is a common feature used in voice networks to limit the permitted number of concurrent calls. In ARM version 9.4, we've introduced the ability to define CAC profiles for customer entities, peer connections, and VoIP peers. This allows operators to implement load balancing and prevent oversubscription by controlling the number of sessions across the entire network. We've also introduced monthly call time limits, which can be applied to one or more peer connections. This enables administrators to limit calls over specific SIP trunk connections to avoid exceeding the number of minutes they have purchased from their service providers. We believe that with these new features, ARM 9.4 will cement its position as the primary centralized call routing application for Teams hosters. Feel free to contact the OVOG team to give us your feedback.